Hello everyone, welcome to Pseudoscience Podcast. Today's topic is solar astronomy. As previously discussed, solar astronomy means the study of sun. In this episode, we will learn about some facts related to sun. When we hear the word sun, first we strike in our mind is its hotness. So, what do you think? What is the temperature of sun? Well, it's about 5778 Kelvin. Okay, what does a sun consist of? The sun is composed primarily of chemical elements hydrogen and helium, with just a tiny bit of other common elements which we find in Earth. The sun currently fuses about 600 million tons of hydrogen into helium every second, converting 4 million tons of matter into energy every second as a result. What is the color of sun? It is common misconception that sun is yellow or orange or even red. However, the sun is essentially all colors mixed together, which appear to our eyes as white. This is easy to see in pictures taken from space. Rainbows are light from the sun, separated into different colors. Each color in the rainbow, that is red, orange, yellow, green, blue, violet, has a different wavelength. Red has the longest wavelength and blue has the shortest wavelength. Now let's discuss about the layers of sun. The inner layers of sun are core, radiative zone and convection zone. The outer layers are photosphere, chromosphere, transition region and corona. At the center of the sun is the core region, a volume of sufficient temperature and pressure for nuclear fusion to occur. Above the core is the radiation zone, where the plasma conveys the energy flux by means of radiation. Above that is the convection zone, where the gas material transports energy primarily through physical displacement of gas known as convection. It is believed that the movement of mass within the convection zone creates a magnetic activity that generates sunspots. Now let's discuss that what are the instruments required for the study of sun. Well, a solar telescope is a special purpose telescope used to observe the sun. Solar telescopes usually detect light with wavelengths in or not far outside the visible spectrum. Okay, now let's discuss now some hypothetical situations like what will happen if sun disappears. Right now, Earth is orbiting the sun with a blazing speed. If the sun vanished, its gravitational pull would be gone, but Earth's speed would remain the same. Now let me give you an example so that you can understand in a better way. Now picture yourself tying a rock to the end of a string and then swinging the string in a circle over your head. Then you let go of the string. The rock goes flying in a straight line away from you. The same way the Earth would go flying in a straight line from the central point in the space where the sun used to sit. When the sun gets disappeared, we will be lost in utter darkness. We will still see stars and the cities will run until the power on the Earth is there. And we will see some planets for some time. Now let's discuss about a question like, will the sun will consume the Earth? Okay, the answer for this is, when the sun has burned all its hydrogen, it will continue to burn helium for 130 million more years. During this time, it will expand to the point that it will engulf Mercury, Venus and Earth. At this stage, it will become a red giant. So, what is the age of the sun? The sun is middle-aged at around 4.6 billion years old. The sun has already burned off about half of its stored hydrogen. It has enough left to continue to burn hydrogen for approximately 5 billion years. The sun is currently a type of star known as yellow dwarf. So this is it about today's episode. We have learned about solar astronomy and some facts related to sun. So I hope you liked this episode. Do share your comments and theories of the episode with me through Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. And if you want the visual experience with graphics and animations of my episode, watch them on YouTube and subscribe to my channel Dheeraj Kalagre. Okay, now we'll meet you in the next episode with a new sci-fi topic. Until then, goodbye. Stay safe, stay tuned.